Hey, good afternoon, my friends. I'm Brandon Steckler, technical editor of Motor Age magazine. And I understand some congratulations are in order, especially for those of you who are just entering a new career in the automotive industry. Huge congratulations, and it is extremely rewarding. You made a wise choice, but only if you work hard. Otherwise, it could be miserable. With that, I want to give you a few tips that may help you along in your years as you progress a lot faster than I did. I've got 25 years in this industry as a technician. I got to tell you, not every one of those years went smooth or pretty. So please take my advice on these three things. One, take the time to master the basics. I know nobody wants to hear that. We all want to advance and advance swiftly. I get that. But the point is, these advanced testing techniques that you see perhaps other more experienced technicians performing, or utilizing some of the big fancy expensive tools that they do to help fix cars swiftly, none of that would be possible without their thorough understanding of how systems function at their most basic operating conditions. You need that to progress forward. Two, be sure to align yourself with a shop that supports your growth as a technician. Working for a shop that holds you back or does not want to pay for training or offer you paid time off or just even an opportunity to better yourself, trust me, my friends, no matter how nice the atmosphere may seem, that is not a place you want to stay at. There are plenty of other shops out there, and I urge you to look around if you're not happy and you're not getting what you need to not only get by, but to also progress into the future. And the third, being a technician requires a commitment to lifelong learning. I know, some of you just got out of school, and congratulations. I hate to burst your bubble though. School has just begun. You will be learning for the rest of your days as an automotive technician. But don't let that scare you. Let that empower you. Do what I did. Stay on top of technology. Continue with your education, slowly but surely, bit by bit by bit, and don't wait with huge gaps in between. If you do that, you continue to stay on top of that and mastering the basics as they come along, I promise you, with effort, you will be one of the best technicians, if not the best technician in that shop. And again, it's extremely rewarding because when you have efficiency and you are making money, your confidence goes through the roof and work becomes extremely rewarding. Now this next one goes out to a handful of you technicians out there that are still relatively new to the industry but maybe have a few years under your belt in the shop. If so, congratulations for sticking it out. I'm sure you can attest to everything I said. It takes very hard work and dedication to become a successful technician. And it's not always easy. Sometimes it's downright miserable. But you got to get through it. So if you're one of those, again, congratulations. But I've got a proposition to offer you. Perhaps you are Motor Age magazine and PTEN's magazine next Best Young Tech Award recipient. That's right. Starting soon, this will be our third annual Best Young Tech competition. The inaugural winner, Chris Taylor, and winner of 2022's Best Young Tech Award, Austin Matley, they did it. You guys can do it as well. But you got to get yourself registered. Take a look at the link below. Write that down, populate it in your browser, and get yourself registered. Because if you are 2023 Best Young Technician Award recipient, you will receive prizes including a round trip for two to Las Vegas to see the Apex and SEMA show, as well as an all-expense paid trip to the 2024 WorldPAC STX Expo. Now, nominations are open, so like I said, visit the link below and get yourself registered because this is only going to run into early June. After that, the doors close and you miss out on the opportunity and you have to wait till next year. So I really hope it's myself and Pete Meyer shaking your hand in Las Vegas this year when we present the award to the next Best Young Technician. Take care. We'll see you in Las Vegas.